Hey, what's up everybody? It's G Vegas. I'm going to be opening up a box today of Bowman 2022 Jumbo. You get 3 autograph cards per box. I got this for a good deal from my buddy Bill down at Revive Collectible Hobby Shop in Ashaway, Rhode Island. First Bowman I've opened up this 2022 year product. I always like the Jumbos because you get the 3 autos, so you could hit some pretty good cards out of Bowman. I've always been a Bowman collector, so here we go. Hopefully I hit something good here. Jaron Duran, Rookie of the Year favorite. Blaze Jordan, that's funny. 2 Red Sox in a row, high five futures. Brandon Marsh, looks like a refractor top 100. Alan Serta, Edgar Quero, Carlos Aguiar, Junior San Quentin, Pevden Wilson. All right, no auto first pack. Second pack. Jason Dominguez, refractor. Carlos Colmenares, hi-fi. Adley Rushman. Malcolm Nunez, Cooper Kinney, Joe Pastrano, Edward Lopez, Branlin Haraba. All right, no autos, 2 packs. No color yet either. So that makes the Bowman products pretty cool. All the refractors and everything you can get. I don't think I see any color here, but there might be. Oh, we did hit color, and whoo-wee, it's a gold auto for the next card. Luis Angel Acura. The auto is Adam Macco, gold auto. Wow, that's a really nice card right there. Let's see where he was drafted. 216th overall, so not one of the big guys. But gold auto either way. We'll see. He's the number 12 Mariners prospect. Looks like he is a starting pitcher at least. Averaged 15.1 strikeouts per 9 for Modesto in 2021. Gold. I think that's called the Gold Shimmer auto. Nice hit. That's the good first auto there. Nolan Gorman. Yohendrick Panago. Zayden. And, wow, yellow Eduardo Lopez for the Red Sox. Same pack. Nice. That's a nice little pack right there. Eduardo Lopez. Too bad it has a line right down the middle. Let's see if I can wipe that off. It came off, I believe. Yep, it came off. Eduardo Lopez, 24 of 75. And the junk that was on it came off. Yellow. Let's see. Signed 2018 as a free agent. Number 27 prospect, MLB. MLB.com's 27, so I'll have to look him up. That might be a pretty good hit too. I was just saying, not much color in here, and I got a gold and a yellow in one pack. That was a nice hit right there. I always like the gold autograph. Ooh, I see something yellow right there. Rookie of the Year favorites, Joe Ryan. Yellow base, that's what it was. Yeah, it's Bobby Dahlback. That's cool. That's numbered to 75. Paper, 73 out of 75. Jordan Balazovic. And Max Muncy. That's a nice guy. I know he's one of the better players from it. This is a yellow box, yellow and gold so far. Wilman Diaz on the Invicta. Edward Cabrera, top 100. Ed Howard, Jordan Lawler, Luis Gonzalez, Jordan Walker. Let me put this Invicta in the sleeve. Marcelo Meyer, that's a nice vibrations insert. Spencer Torkelson. Luis Matos, top 100. Marcelo again. Harry Ford. Hitting some decent players in there. It's all about the refractors and the autos though. So I'm one auto in right now. I'm not even sure of the names for the big guys this year, but you could always look to see where they're drafted. Vidal Brujan. Jordan Lawler. Gabriel Moreno. Jeter Downs. And some base paper. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 packs left. Invicta, Christian Santana. Second auto, Justice Thompson, base. For the Reds. I know the Reds were a better team. This guy was drafted 180th overall, so probably not one of the better ones, monetarily speaking, for right now. Gabrielle Davis, or Arias. Those are tricky. They look like they're, what do you call it? Like gold refractors and stuff. All right, 4 packs to go. 1 auto left. I see some pink. It looks like a pink or a fuchsia or something for the paper. Marco Luciano. Benny Montgomery. Nick Abel. And Jose Rodriguez, $2.99. Paper. All right, 3 packs. Come on, one more big auto. Jake Berger. Oh, here's the last auto. Darren Baker, Speckle, 276 out of 299. At least it was a refractor. Let's see. 293rd overall. I don't think he's a sought after one, but Noelvi Marte. Still could hit some refractors or something in here too. And I have hit 4 autos out of these jumbos. Austin Martin, another Jason Dominguez, Anthony Volpe, Christian Hernandez, and a bunch of bases. All right, last one. Hope for some color. A random auto. Jason Dominguez, Greg Jones, oh, I did hit some, come on, be really low, that's cool, 125 Harry Ford, green speckle, or emerald speckle or something, it's a nice hit. He's a good prospect. Oh, thank you for watching. So in recap, I got that Harry Ford, 3 autos, Darren Baker Speckle, numbered out of 299. Justice Thompson, base. Eduardo Lopez Yellow, Red Sox. And Adam Macko, 3 out of 50, Gold Shimmer. Thanks for watching.